Yeah.
No slutty wife.
No.
Who said that?
No one.
What a lie. It's obvious someone's done that you. Shay.
No.
You didn't just say that, someone else did. Someone else said it's not me. Clayton, he doesn't know these things.
No.
Huh?
No.
What do you mean by no?
Doesn't.
I knew he didn't. Someone just said it because why?
Silly.
Huh?
Silly.
Silly. Silly.
Yep.
What do you choose? Heaven?
Yeah, of course.
Of course. And I thought someone said that said Christine and you're going to heaven.
Yes, you are.
With who?
The Lord.
With my husband.
Yeah. With you.
Yes, we are, sweetie. Yes. Who said that?
Someone.
The Lord.
Yep. Let's see your hand. Let's see your hand from it. That hand right there.
Yes.
No, the other one. The other hand.
Why?
No. No, there's an ash on it, that's all.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, that's all. Yeah. My mind's playing tricks, dude.
See what?
My mind's playing tricks.
I'm not mad at them. And if they were to open up this, I ain't stopping them.
Yep.
Must give me almost. I wasn't mad, but why is she stalking you for?
I don't know, dude. I don't know who that is.
I don't either. All I know is I saw someone stopping downtown at a person's house.